Alright, Adeline's just woken up from her little nap on the sofa. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Woke up happy. With hiccups. Happy with hiccups. Seeing if we can go over there and see her little face. Oofta, sorry about that. Shouldn't be walking and recording.
Stay with us.
Who's the man? I'm the man. Wash your paws, Mr. Man.
Well, good morning, Adeline.
Think again.
Good morning.
Strong. For a clean that passes inspection with fewer pieces left behind. Its diamond weave texture is soft and more durable versus the Ultra Ripple brand, so it holds up better for a more dependable clean. Fewer pieces left behind.
Can we say hi, Grandma and Grandpa?
We all go.
Hello.
If Paula Ebert had her way, she would help her child.
Can you give us a little smile, Adeline?
But instead she
Kinda. It's hard to smile when you're kicking those legs so much, huh?
combines serving of fruits and vegetables. New Capri Sun Super V. America has issues. Schools, jobs, dinosaurs,
Animals dressed in human clothing.
and so do they.
Because of it.
My baby says, you don't take a swing at my hair.
I've seen a baby take a punch like that.
The campaign starts August 10th.
When I first discovered that I had sensitive
Good
teeth,
morning.
I changed toothpaste. I already had a product that made my mouth feel clean.
Hiccups, huh?
The first thing he recommended was Sensodyne. It helps with the sensitivity issues, and it satisfies the needs that I would look for in a toothpaste.
You kind of look like a little boy in that outfit.
Crowning achievement thus far.
See, I don't care, Mom, as long as I'm comfy, right? We don't care.
She's stressing
We're
about
comfy.
beverages because she already downloaded a 15-megabyte cat video.
Wanna smile for Grandma and Grandpa?
I've already seen it.
Can you smile pretty? Not today, huh? Not right now, anyway.
Switch to Sprint, the only network with truly unlimited data for your iPhone.
Two little letters, a whole new idea in skincare.
Garnier's first beauty cream, Miracle Skin Perfector.
For amazing skin.
It combines intense hydration, tinted minerals, and vitamin C.
One application, 5 results. Evens tone, hydrates, renews, protects, and brightens. All in an instant.
One more shot for a little smile. Can we smile, Adeline?
Miracle Skin Perfector from Garnier. Perfect skin starts at GarnierUSA.com.
Take care. Find your magic at Macy's Home Sale.
No, that's okay. That's okay. Adeline, what are you doing, honey? What you looking at over there? Hmm? What you looking at? Well, it's kind of a boring recording, but at least Grandma will get to see you a little bit. Say bye-bye. Bye, Grandma and Grandpa. I love you.